Let's do some quick data investigations with Connect Visualization Services. So I first want to look at some water flow data from a water meter. And I've got a couple different ways I can search for it, by different asset, by metadata. But let me look at this asset stream reference here. Let me pull this up right from how it's referenced in Connect Data Services. And I want to change from the status board right here to something that'll let me see more data. So under visuals, I'll hit change, and I'll change this to be a column chart. And this will let me see more historical reading and computed statistics. So I don't just want data from today. I want to look at the last 3 days. And specifically, I want to look at my hourly average. And sure enough, this looks like what I expected. I don't want to see usage here during the holiday break, but I'm worried that I might see values there. So I want to go to a symbol that'll actually give me greater granularity. So I'll select a line chart, and yeah, now I see much more fine details of my data, but I can see what looks like small anomalies here. And when I zoom in using the zoom control, yes, unfortunately, I do see that there was usage over the holiday break, which is what I didn't want, and which this visual helped me find. Now, to change symbols back, under the column chart, I can now see that, yes, on average, what each of that usage was during certain amounts. This is data that I can report. I can see at a max, I'm using almost 0.02 gallons per minute. I would still expect 0 though, so whatever's going on, it's definitely something that I need to pay more attention to. I can use this visual right here and change it to a data grid, which will let me see averages, minima, maxima, blast values, for all of that time range that I've selected. And if I want to change it to a specific hourly range, say from 0100 to 1800, I can open the time range selector, make some edits here to quickly change that time range to synchronize with the hour. And when I'm done this, now the data grid shows me hourly averages, hourly minima, and maxima. And these are the values that now I can report to my facilities team so we can investigate why we're seeing this anomalous usage when we didn't expect any usage to go on in the building when it was unoccupied. This is a quick example of how I can change between these different graphics types within Connect Visualization Services to allow me to inspect and work with this data in different ways, and ultimately to arrive at a finding, discovering over the last 3 days that I had this anomalous usage that I can then take action on. And so in this short video, we just wanted to show a real-world example using some recent data of how you can use Connect Visualization Services to perform quick investigations into your data from anywhere where you have a cloud connection, requiring no software to be installed in your device, merely a connection to the cloud and Connect Visualization Services. Thank you.